factor. Y cubed plus 5y squared minus 4y minus 20. First thing to notice is we have 4 terms here, so it looks as though we should try to factor by grouping. To factor by grouping, we want to see if there's a common factor among the first pair of terms and a common factor among the second pair of terms. We can rewrite y cubed as y squared times y. We can write 5y squared as y squared times 5. For these numbers, we can rewrite them as minus 4 times y minus 4 times 5. Now we see we have a common factor of y squared. We factor out y squared, it leaves us with y plus 5. In this pair, we see a common factor of negative 4. We factor out the common factor of negative 4, it would leave us with y plus 5, which is good because now we see we have another common factor of y plus 5. We factor out y plus 5. That leaves us in parentheses y squared minus 4. But wait, y squared minus 4 can be factored further. So what we have is y plus 5, and you should recognize that as the difference of two squares, and it factors as y plus 2 times y minus 2.